Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. And unpairing could be useful if you want to pair your watch with another device. Maybe you want to, I don't know, sell it, give it away to somebody, anything that would require you to disconnect it from your phone and your account. And of course I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. And to unpair our watch from our iPhone, we need to open the HONOR Health application on our iPhone. In the app, we need to tap on Device, then select our HONOR Watch X5i from the list. Here, find the option called Remove Current Device. Tap on it, tap on Delete, and the watch will disappear from the device page. Now tap on Completed, close the app, and what we need to do is go to Settings on our iPhone, go to Bluetooth, and here you will see HONOR Watch X5i on the list of devices. Tap on info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, forget device, and once you remove from this list, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone, and that's how you unpair the device. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.